Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun lemon tray DIY for you. I'm just going to be using a round sign from the Dollar Tree. I just removed the hanger. It already has like a circular frame around it, so that is perfect for a lemon rind to make this look like a lemon slice. So I'm just using my yellow Posca paint pen to go over just the rind of it. I'm not going to make the entire lemon yellow because all my other lemon DIYs that I'm going to display on this are already yellow. I thought that might be too much yellow, so I'm going to leave it wood. But I do want it to look like the lemon rind. So now using my white paint pen, I'm just going on the inside of the frame to give it like a white lip. And then using the line as a reference on there, I draw one line across and then crisscross and then a line in each other section. So I want it to look like a lemon. So I'm also adding like just a little bit of curved paint here at the corners to give it that classic like lemon slice look to transform this little sign into a lemon tray. And I absolutely love how this turned out. It was so much fun. Now I have some yellow wood beads from the Dollar Tree, just left over from a summer wood bead. And I'm using those as little feet. You can glue those to the bottom. I'm using hot glue, but you could also use wood glue for that. And then I'm going to touch up the sides of mine as well because some of them were brown and some of them were white, just to make it look more consistent with that yellow paint pen as well. This was so easy to make. A little lemon tray. I'm using it in my kitchen and displaying my other lemon DIYs that I've made so far here on my channel. So if you'd like to learn how I made the candle, the lemon candle that's scented, and the lemon greenery, visit my other videos. And then I also display it with a lemon from the Dollar Tree. If you'd like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to visit my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.